In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on eBay. Whether you've received a gift card as a present or you've snagged one yourself, learning how to use it online, specifically on eBay, can be incredibly handy. So, let's dive right into the process. Firstly, browse eBay as you usually would and add items to your cart. The experience doesn't change just because you're using a gift card, so everything should feel familiar up to this point. Once you have everything you want to purchase, you have two options. You can either click the Buy It Now button for instant purchases, or proceed to check out from your shopping cart if you have multiple items, or if you prefer reviewing everything before you proceed. Next, when you're at the checkout, it's time to choose your payment method. Select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. It's important not to select PayPal at this stage unless you've linked your Visa gift card to your PayPal account. For this tutorial, we'll stick with the direct credit or debit card payment method. Now you'll find yourself on the payment screen. Here you'll enter the crucial information from your Visa gift card. Start with the 16-digit card number, which you'll find on the front of your gift card. Following this, input the expiration date, which usually consists of a month and a year. Don't forget about the CVV code either. This 3-digit number is often located on the back of your card, and it acts as an additional security measure. If during the setup of your Visa gift card you registered it with your name and a billing zip code, make sure to use this same information here. This consistency helps prevent any unnecessary roadblocks or declines during your checkout. When eBay processes this information, it treats your Visa gift card just like any other debit card. If the available balance on the gift card covers the entire purchase amount, you're all set and the checkout will be completed seamlessly. However, sometimes the gift card balance might not be enough to cover your total purchase. eBay typically does not support split payments by default, which means your transaction could be declined if there isn't enough balance. But don't worry, if this happens, there's a simple workaround. Use your Visa gift card to buy an eBay gift card instead. This can be easily done through eBay or various retailers. Once you have an eBay gift card, use it at checkout for a smoother purchase experience. And there you have it. Using a Visa gift card on eBay is straightforward once you know the steps. Follow these instructions and you'll be able to make purchases with ease. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.